안녕하세요. Koreanteacher Grace입니다. Today's class is Korean and Hangeul. Let's enjoy!
한국, Korea is short for Republic of Korea. The symbols of Korea are Taegeukgi, 애국가, national anthem, Mugunghwa, and Hangeul. Taegeukgi. It emphasizes the peace and harmony of all things. 애국가, national anthem. It contains love for the country and the formula of Koreans. Mugunghwa. It means the flower of the country, the flower that blooms forever and never. Hangeul. Korean alphabet. It was called 훈민정음. It means it's the right sound to teach the people. This is national treasure. In 1910, it began to be called big writing by a Korean scholar. Then, let's learn about Hangeul. Look at this line. The patois language means words speak with the mouth and listen with the ear, and includes Korean, English, German, French, and so on. And the written language refers to the means of writing the patois language, and includes Hangeul, Latin alphabet, hiragana, Chinese character, and so on. Korean is the official language of Korea, and Hangeul is the Korean alphabet. Korean is usually written in Hangeul, but it's not just written in Hangeul. Hangeul is available in Korean, 한글, and in Roman letters, 한글. Okay, good. Let's move on. Hangeul is scientifically and made on excellent principle. 자, the consonants, 모, the vowels that make up Hangeul, to each letter that forms it. The consonants were modeled after the homeopathic organs, and the vowels were made by imitating the shapes of the sky, the ground or earth, and the human. Look at this. Nose, mouth, and the throat. You can imagine your mouth. 그, 느, 무, 스, 응. Okay. Check again. 그, 느, 무, 스, 응. And sky, ground or earth, and human. Okay. Hangeul is based on the Eastern ideas, which describes all the phenomena of the universe and the human life, to express harmony between the universe and the human race. Look at this. yang. The inning means that the universe is divided into 인 and 음과 양. 오행. The 5 elements refer to the creation and extinction of all things made up of 인. These are Chinese characters. 목, 화, 토, 금, 수, and 천, 지, 인. As I said, Chinese characters are divided into the meaning and sound, and we merely use the sound. Okay, good. It means earth, fire, earth, metal, water, and sky, ground or earth, and the human. Okay, good. One more. Is considered female, and yang is considered male. So we think vowels, moon are considered female, and 자, consonants are considered male. Okay, this is a very important point. Please remember that. That's it for today's lesson. Next class is the location of the sound. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.